Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the world around us. But how can it personally benefit you? Let's explore some key areas. To start, let's look at what AI is and how it's integrated into our daily lives. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. This includes learning, reasoning, and problem solving. From smart assistants to personalized recommendations, AI is already woven into our daily routines, often without us even realizing it. AI is a powerful tool for boosting your productivity, allowing you to focus on high-value tasks. AI can take over mundane, repetitive tasks like scheduling appointments, sending follow-up emails, and data entry, freeing up your time for more creative work. It excels at processing massive amounts of data to find patterns and generate actionable insights much faster than humans can. AI can tailor educational content and learning paths to your individual pace and style, making education more effective and personalized. AI is playing an increasingly vital role in helping us manage and improve our health and well-being. Based on your data, AI can offer personalized tips on diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes to keep you healthy. In the medical field, AI assists doctors in analyzing complex images and data for earlier and more accurate diagnosis of various conditions. From mood-tracking apps to therapeutic chatbots, AI provides accessible and often immediate support for mental health and well-being. Managing your money can be easier and smarter with the help of AI. AI-powered tools automatically track your expenses, categorize your spending, and help you stay on budget effortlessly. AI algorithms can analyze market trends and assess risks to offer personalized investment advice, helping you optimize your financial portfolio. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's a practical tool that can enhance many aspects of your life today. By understanding and embracing AI, you can make smarter decisions, save time, and ultimately lead a more efficient and fulfilling life. Start exploring the many AI tools available today and discover how they can benefit you.